Hello everyone, let's see what we are going to create today. You see the effect is nice and kind of amazing. Let's see how we can create that. Okay, at first we need a page and blank with this text. This text is used Verdana as font and it's literal. And after creating that, you need to create the effect, this effect. How you can create that? It's important to create 4 rectangles in a size that you needed. So how we can create that? It's important. At first, you create one in the half. Okay. Then you insert another one in the half. You see we have it in the half. And then create another one. Align it center, align it middle, align it center, align it middle. Now increase the size. Press Ctrl A, shape format and fragment. Now you see you have 2 rectangles that are half a size that we need. By holding Ctrl and Shift we create a copy of it. Now select all of them and set the shape outline to none. Increase it a little size and then make it the color you want. Let's go with this. Create another copy of that and copy this text and copy this text, paste it here, send to back and copy that. You need to bring them out in the same distance because of the effect. Okay, now by holding Shift you can do it more smoothly. Okay, it's done. Now we copy these 2 texts and paste them here and set the transition to morph. Let's take a look. You see the effects are nice and everything looks perfect. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.